Alright, so we're gonna start out by priming our face. And is this so weird to prime my face? Now I feel like I can't live without primer, and you guys know that I didn't even believe in primer, but I'm using my Catrice Prime and Fine Primer, and now I'm just hydrating my face because when I wake up in the morning my face is really dry, and I'm just using the Pixie pink mist, and I really like it. It's actually really good. And I actually found a place in person where I could buy my Wet n Wild Focus foundation, and I've been using this one for the last week, and now I know even much more why I liked this so much a couple of months ago. But yeah, I have to also put some bliss tacks on because my lips be chapped and I also put eye drops in my eyes, but I didn't even record that clip because who wants to see me putting eye drops in my eyes, right? But yeah, I'm now just blending my foundation. And guys, this foundation brush is the best. This is the one that I bought from Shop Miss A. It was 2 brushes for I think $2.50, and I really do like this one. It's really good. Look how good it blends out my foundation. It's really small and gets into the perfect areas, and I've really been enjoying it. And now I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes, and I don't like using my NARS concealer because it's $30, but I couldn't find my Wet n Wild concealer, so I used that one. And then I also used a little bit of my, what is this, my Sharp Tape Shape concealer. But yeah, I need to buy a new one because I'm running out. And I'm just gonna blend that out, and it really does make like a nice bright under eye that I like to wear at work so I won't look tired, because I go to sleep really late. If you guys know me, I don't sleep pretty much. Like, me and my husband are like night owls. I've came to that conclusion that we're night owls. So I'm just gonna blend that out really quick. Then I'm going in with something that I've been loving for this month, and I can't wait to tell you guys in my February favorites. And I didn't do a January favorites because it was just too hectic in my house right now. But this is the Rimmel Stay In Matte Powder. I did a review on it. I will leave it down below for you guys if you guys want to check it out. But whoa, this powder is so freaking good. It's so good. I love leaving it. I love baking with it a little bit. And then I'll just go in with something else that I've been loving. This is the NYX No Filter Sans Filter Concealer. I don't know, the name is very weird, but I've really been liking this one too. It's really good. It keeps me matte throughout the day. I get very oily at work for some reason, but yeah. And now I'm just gonna take all the baking away. You can see how it leaves my under eyes so bright and so smooth. I really like it, and it's $4 and something. It comes up to $5 at Walmart. So guys, you guys need to go get it right now. And now I'm just gonna conceal my, my lids, and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild, Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I'm gonna use the side that is for highlighting, and I like to do that every morning also. And now I'm just gonna brush through my eyebrows. I don't really have time in the morning to do my eyebrows because they take me 10 minutes, and nobody got time for that. I wake up late already. But I'm just gonna put some mascara on. I've really been liking this one, but I don't think I'm gonna buy it just because it's really expensive, and nobody got time for that, guys. Nobody got time for that. And now I'm just contouring. I love to contour. You guys know I like to be all bronzed and beautiful throughout the day. And I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. And I really do like this one. I have mine in Caramel Toffee, just in case if you're wondering. And it's really good. Like, this is a very good contouring palette. I love both. I don't know if you saw when I hold it up, but I hit pan on both colors, which is very weird. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go in with blush, and I've really been liking this LA Girl Just Blushing Blush and Just Playful. I've really been liking it, and it just gives me the perfect amount of blush. Not too much, not too little. They're pigmented, but not super pigmented. But yeah, I've really been enjoying those. I'm just gonna highlight a little bit. I thought I wasn't gonna highlight, but I highlighted, and I'm just using my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold, and oh my god, I love this one. And I was actually talking to my friend Nefra here, and that's why I'm making like weird face expressions. But yeah, this is the video that I had for you guys. I wanted to do something different. Let me know about the background if you guys like it, and God bless you guys. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. And here are my 2 latest videos, so if you want to check them out. Love you guys. Bye.